In the tribal heartland of South Gujarat lies a village that has quietly created a sporting revolution. Biliamba in Dang district is now known across India for producing over 1,000 trained Kho-Kho players under the guidance of their dedicated teachers. What makes it even more inspiring is that most of these children belong to tribal families, often with limited access to basic resources. But their determination combined with coaching of their teachers Rasik Patel and Vimal Gamit has helped them win accolades at district, state and national levels.
2002 થી આ રમત અમે આમ કબડ્ડી ખોખો પણ ત્યારથી જોડાયા તો 1200 થી 1200 બાળકો જેવા થઈ ગયા છે રમતમાં અને એમાં 87 બાળકો નેશનલ કક્ષાએ અને 17 બાળકો નેશનલની અંદર સિલ્વર મેડલ અને બ્રોન્ઝ મેડલ મેળવ્યો છે અને હાલ અમારા બાળકો સાથે છે અને ખેલ મહાકુંભથી આપણા જે અલગ અલગ ગામોમાં વિશિષ્ટ જે ખેલાડીઓ એમાં નીકળ્યા અને એ ખેલાડી આપણને જોવા મળે અને રમતથી બાળકોને જે પ્રોત્સાહન મળે છે રાજ્ય સરકાર ઇનામ આપે છે.
Every evening after school hours, Rasik Patel and Vimal Gamit gather boys and girls on the village ground, teaching them techniques, team spirit and discipline. They ensure the girls get equal opportunities, and today many of them are emerging as medal winners and availing benefit of Gujarat government's sports schemes.
तो गुजरात गवर्नमेंट की बहुत सारी स्कीमें ऐसी है जिसमें बच्चे स्कॉलरशिप प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. सीओई सेंटर में हमारे हर साल 20 से 25 बच्चे सिलेक्ट होके गुजरात गवर्नमेंट की स्कॉलरशिप का फायदा ले रहे हैं.
Recently, one of the village girls, Opina Bhilar, made headlines as she was part of the Indian women's team that won the inaugural Kho-Kho World Cup held at New Delhi in January 2025. A proud moment not just for the school but for the entire village. Most students in the village come from tribal families with minimal resources, yet their dedication and support of their teachers have brought glory at district, state and national levels.
खो खो खेलने के लिए यहाँ पे जो मैं प्राथमिक शाला में पढ़ती हूँ बिलियाम्बा में पढ़ती थी पहले, तो मेरे भैया बहन और दूसरे भी खिलाड़ी थे, वो लोग खेलते थे. उन लोगों को जो सम्मान मिलता था, स्टेज पे खड़े होके उन लोगों को सम्मान दिया जाता था, वो लोग जीत के आते थे और स्कूल में जो खुशियाँ मनाई जाती थी वो देख के मुझे लगा कि नहीं, मुझे भी ये प्राउड मुझे भी चाहिए. तो मैंने वो देखा और फिर मुझे खेलने का मन हुआ. गुजरात गवर्नमेंट की ओर से जो सपोर्ट मिला है मुझे कि स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ गुजरात द्वारा जो चल रही है स्कीमें, वो प्लेयर्स को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए बहुत लाभदायी है और उन लोग सभी का मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी क्योंकि उन लोगों का सपोर्ट की वजह से मैं यहाँ तक पहुँची हूँ आज.
At a time when much of the younger generation is hooked to screens, Gujarat's Biliamba village stands as a shining example of what happens when sports meets grassroots dedication.